Love is not as mysterious or unpredictable as it often seems. In Attached, psychiatrist Amir Levine and psychologist Rachel Heller introduced the concept of adult attachment theory, a scientific framework that helps us understand romantic behavior and compatibility. Rooted in decades of research, the book explains that we all fall into one of three primary attachment styles: secure, anxious, or avoidant, and that recognizing these styles can dramatically improve how we relate, choose partners, and resolve conflict. The book promises that once you understand the science behind attachment, love will no longer be a puzzle but a solvable equation. Chapter 1. Decoding Relationship Behavior. The authors explain that attachment theory, originally applied to child-parent bonds, also defines how adults connect in romantic relationships. People with a secure attachment style are comfortable with closeness and dependability. Anxious individuals crave intimacy but worry about rejection, while avoidant people value independence and feel suffocated by emotional closeness. These patterns profoundly influence relationship dynamics, often leading to predictable patterns of pursuit, withdrawal, and conflict. The first step to healthy love is recognizing your own attachment style. Lesson: Understanding. Your attachment style is the foundation for choosing the right partner and building a fulfilling relationship. Chapter 2. Attachment Styles in Daily Life. Here the book brings theory into reality. Through stories and case studies, the authors show how people's everyday experiences, texting anxiety, fear of commitment, or feeling emotionally distant, are all manifestations of their attachment style. An anxious person may obsess over why their partner hasn't responded to a message, while an avoidant person may feel trapped by small requests. The secure person remains balanced and emotionally available. Lesson: Day-to-day relationship behaviors are often misread. Understanding the underlying attachment patterns helps prevent miscommunication and disappointment. Chapter 3. The Secure Attachment Style, the Healthy Foundation. People with secure attachment are comfortable with closeness and are naturally responsive, reliable, and emotionally supportive. They communicate openly, manage conflict constructively, and foster mutual growth. The book emphasizes that secure individuals are not boring or less passionate. Rather, they create stability that enhances intimacy. They're also the best partners for those who want healthy, lasting relationships. Lesson: A secure attachment style is not just ideal, it is learnable, and being with a secure partner can help you become more secure yourself. Chapter 8. Knowing what you want and how to ask for it. Anxious and avoidant people often choose partners who reinforce their fears. This chapter encourages readers to redefine what they look for in a partner and to be unapologetic about their needs. Compatibility is not about chemistry or charm. It's about responsiveness, emotional safety, and mutual goals. Lesson: Choose partners who can meet your emotional needs instead of chasing unavailable ones out of habit. Chapter 9. The Secure Base, Finding or Becoming a Secure Partner. This chapter outlines how to either find a secure partner or become more secure yourself. The authors encourage seeking partners who are consistent, kind, and emotionally available. If you're already in a relationship, you can strengthen your secure tendencies by practicing openness, reliability, and self-awareness. The more you respond to your partner with calmness and clarity, the more secure the relationship becomes. Lesson: Security is a skill. It can be nurtured in yourself and encouraged in your partner through practice and empathy. Chapter 10. The Science Behind the Theory. Levine and Heller delve into the neuroscience and empirical research that supports attachment theory. They discuss how brain chemistry, childhood experiences, and social environment shape attachment patterns. They also point to studies that show how attachment styles predict long-term relationship satisfaction more reliably than personality traits or love languages. Lesson: attachment theory is not pop psychology. It's a science-backed framework that explains how love works at a biological level. Chapter 11. Tools and Techniques for Change. In the final chapter, the authors provide exercises, checklists, and journaling prompts to help readers identify their patterns, build self-awareness, and grow beyond unhealthy behaviors. They emphasize that understanding your style is just the first step. Changing patterns requires effort, compassion, and often a secure partner or therapist. The goal is not perfection, but progress toward emotional freedom. Lesson: you are not stuck with your attachment style. Change is possible through conscious effort, healthy connection, and emotional learning. Conclusion: love doesn't have to be a struggle. Attached ends on an empowering note. Love doesn't have to be hard. Most people struggle in relationships because they don't understand their attachment needs or how to meet them. With knowledge, communication, and awareness, anyone can build a strong, emotionally fulfilling partnership. Whether you're single, dating, or in a relationship, learning about attachment can transform your love life. Final lesson: love is not a mystery. It's a matter of emotional alignment. When you know your style and choose wisely, real intimacy becomes possible.